Welcome to That Stix Guy Explains. In this episode, we're going to cover the twister, or as it's also known as the split weave. This happens to be my favorite move, and it also happens to be the most requested move for me to do. In fact, I love this move so much that I actually designed this shirt, and in this shirt, you too can buy it if you just get a hold of me. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to learn the fishtail, and you need to know two items. The first item is the fishtail has a buzzsaw type motion, where you're controlling every bit of this with both of the control sticks. Now, in a buzzsaw, you can go, of course, forwards, and as I like to do, in my preference, the reverse, which allows me to do reels, go into fishtails, and get into this twister very easily. The second motion we add in the weave, which in reality, if you really look at the twister is just a weave that we made look very complicated. And in fact, the motion that I'm going to be doing is using some principles that we learn when we do the extended helicopter. If you learn this, it's going to really help you out. The first way I want you to enter the twister is via the buzzsaw. Go ahead and try to change the directions of the buzzsaw in different manners and at different angles and see how that feels and how that plays for you. Another way to enter the twister is using the weave. In this example, notice that my left hand will point the control stick down, my right hand will point the control stick up, and simultaneously I will spin this in a motion to create a buzzsaw that is now parallel to the ground. Now, in case you're having troubles, there is a third option when entering the twister, and this is via a resting position. From the resting position, I want you to twist your control sticks in opposite directions, one down, one up. And whichever one is face down, you're going to rotate clockwise in that direction, or counterclockwise, depending which way you want the twister to spin. With that in mind, let's go right to our first drill, where we're going to weave and move into the twister as we cross our body from left to right, and then go back in to the weave. Once there, we're going to reset, go back into the twister, and travel back from right to left, ending back into the weave, and then repeating. In our second drill, we're going to go from the buzzsaw into the twister, back to the buzzsaw, reset, and then go from the buzzsaw back into the twister, cross our bodies to the other side, and back into a buzzsaw, and then repeat. All right, now it's your turn to keep spinning, and thank you for watching. Please take this moment to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then visit me on thatstixguy.com and follow me on Facebook. Thanks again, and keep spinning.